What is up, guys? So today I am just at, or close to where my mechanic is, and I have a stock exhaust, same as what's on the bike now, that's been cored, well, a little bit. Some of the baffle has just been taken out, so they cut it off over here and took some baffle out. The cat is still going to be in the other one, so just thought I'd do a quick little start up and rev so you can hear what it sounds like. Standard. Okay, so this is standard. So that's the standard sound. So I'm going to take it into the shop now and put the other exhaust on, and we'll come back here and see how it sounds. Cheers, guys. What is up? Okay, so the exhaust is on now. It's exactly the same thing, but you can see in here, I don't know how well you can see, but it's a lot emptier inside there. So some of the baffles were taken out, but the cat is still sitting in the center there. So let's start it up and see what it sounds like. So yeah, I think that sounds freaking awesome. Sorry about the close up in my face. Yeah, I think it sounds flipping awesome for just taking a bit of the baffles out. I shouldn't have to change anything to the ECU or the fueling because the cat's still there, and it's only a small amount of baffles that came out. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and cheers till next time.